Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Nykaa sheet mask lavender and honey 20 ml. Price is 100 rupees. Available on Nykaa application, and this is non-sponsored video. Country of origin South Korea. Here is my review. I had bought some products in the pink sale. So shopping was above 1500 rupees. Then they gave me surprise gift. This sheet mask is that surprise gift. I expected I expected at least 200 rupees gift, but it's okay. So I use this now in the monsoon season in the month of July. It contains lots of fragrance, whether it's natural or artificial, but I didn't like. First I cleansed my face, then applied this sheet mask. After 20 minutes I remove this, then wait for 15 minutes, applied very lightweight moisturizer. This sheet mask made my skin glowy, plump, and super hydrated. I love the results, amazing. But will I buy the product? Will I invest the money to buy this sheet mask? Of course not. I like the product. If you have tried this, then you can share the review. If you are using sheet mask, fan of sheet mask, then you may go for this one. And one thing I wanted to include is I also massaged my face with the smitten jade roller on that day after using the sheet mask. The result was amazing. But if I get this product in the discounted price, like high discount, 50% discount, or in the buy one get one offer, then I may buy. That I'm not sure. If you are using sheet mask, then you may like. Yes, that's my review. Thanks for watching.